Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the best mirror dash cam in 2026 that offers clear 4K video, advanced safety features, and a modern rear view mirror design, this video is for you. Today I will show you the top 5 best mirror dash cams of 2026, covering product information, real-world performance, pros and cons, and a final conclusion to help you decide which one is right for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. Pelsee P12 Plus 4K Rear View Mirror Camera. The Pelsee P12 Plus is a premium mirror dash cam featuring 4K front recording, a rear backup camera, and a large 12-inch touchscreen display. It includes ADAS, blind spot detection, GPS tracking, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. A 64 GB memory card is included. In real-world use, the P12 Plus delivers very sharp video quality during the day and reliable night recording with WDR night vision. Voice control works smoothly, and the touchscreen is responsive. ADAS and blind spot detection add an extra layer of driving safety. Pros: excellent 4K front video quality. ADAS and blind spot detection included. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for video transfer. Voice control and GPS support. Large 12-inch display. Cons: installation may take time for beginners. Slightly expensive compared to basic models. The Pelsee P12 Plus is ideal for drivers who want advanced safety features and premium video quality in one mirror dashcam. Number 2. Rear View Mirror Camera with STARVIS 2 IMX678. This mirror dashcam uses the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, offering 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. It includes GPS, blind spot detection, voice control, loop recording, and comes with an OBD hardwire kit and a 128 GB memory card. The STARVIS 2 sensor provides excellent low light and night performance. Footage remains clear even in poor lighting conditions. The 12-inch mirror display is bright and easy to use, and Wi-Fi connectivity is fast and stable. Pros: outstanding night video quality. 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. Large 128 GB storage included. GPS and blind spot detection. Cons: setup may feel complex for first-time users. User interface could be improved. This dashcam is a strong choice for drivers who prioritize night recording performance and advanced image sensors. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Max 4K plus 2.5K Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee P12 Pro Max features dual Sony sensors, 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, color night vision, ADAS, blind spot detection, and a 12-inch touchscreen mirror. It includes an OBD hardwire kit and a 128 GB memory card. This model stands out with color night vision, which captures more detail at night compared to standard infrared night modes. Performance is smooth, video quality is excellent, and safety features work reliably during daily driving. Pros: color night vision support, dual Sony sensors, ADAS and blind spot detection, large touchscreen display. Cons: higher price point. Advanced features may not be necessary for casual users. The P12 Pro Max is best suited for users who want premium features, advanced night vision, and maximum safety support. Number 4. AZDOME PG17 12-inch 4K Mirror Dashcam. The AZDOME PG17 offers 4K front recording, a rear camera, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, GPS tracking, voice control, and parking assistance. It includes a 64 GB memory card and features a 12-inch mirror display. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster and more stable connections compared to older models. Video quality is sharp, and GPS tracking works accurately. Parking assistance makes reversing easier, especially in tight spaces. Pros: Wi-Fi 6 for faster connectivity, reliable 4K video quality, GPS and parking assistance, voice control support. Cons: rear camera resolution is lower than premium competitors, fewer advanced safety features. The AZDOME PG-17 is a solid option for drivers looking for modern connectivity and dependable performance at a reasonable price. Number 5. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. The Pelsee P12 Pro features 4K front recording, 1080p rear recording, ADAS, blind spot detection, GPS, color night vision, voice control, and a 12-inch touchscreen mirror. It includes a 32GB memory card. This model offers a good balance between price and performance. Video quality is clear, night vision performs well, and safety features are reliable. The interface is user-friendly and suitable for daily driving. Pros: 4K front recording, ADAS and blind spot detection, color night vision, smooth touchscreen performance. Cons: smaller memory card included, rear camera limited to 1080p. The Pelsee P12 Pro is a great mid-range option for drivers who want strong safety features without paying premium prices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check the product links in the description below. See you in the next video.